What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a comment on Reddit. Now this is super helpful if you have a super long comment that you typed out and you really don't want to just delete it and have to retype that all again. And if it's just a little small grammatical mistake, you can obviously just edit it to make sure that everybody knows exactly what you're talking about and there's no confusion. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go for a random post on my homepage and just leave a random sup comment on top there. Just for the example of this video here, you're probably not ever going to do something like this, but you could see on the comment itself, in the bottom kind of sort of middle right corner, you can see a button for edit. It has a pencil icon right next to it, and once you click on that, you're going to be at this menu here where you could actually retype your comment. It's going to have your entire comment that you just commented typed out already, and I just added a bros, so it says sup bros on the screen right there for the text. And then I save it, and then you could see now that it's going to have the sub bros finally there, and then anybody that sees this comment will no longer be able to see the original, and they can see the fully edited version whenever they go and see it. Do keep in mind though that the time for your comment, like if you commented this 2 hours ago and you edited it, the time is going to appear as if you just commented it. This is to help people from just editing a comment to something completely different than what they typed, and then all of the replies are going to be something completely different, and it's sort of just a way to prevent the sort of catfishing that you could do in the comment section if you really wanted to do it. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.